I got it. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, so I noticed that we got the UPS just delivered what appears to be probably the silver award. I wanted to share something with Joy here. There is something that got dropped off that I wanted Joy to come check out real quick. It's an emergency.
I don't even know. Who's signing? Oh, I know. Oh my God, I know. Oh my God, I know what it is. Oh, you have to eat Annette for this. You have to eat Annette for this. Hold on, I have to eat Annette. I know what it is. Annette, you have to come here. You have to come here, come here. Somebody came. Come here. Come on. Come on, everybody.
Where are you going, honey?
No, it's just outside. No, it's just right here. Watch.
On.
Okay. It's this right here. Oh no! Wait. Oh, where's just the wrong thing? Oh. Oh, we thought it was the award. Doesn't it arrive today? Shoot! It was just a. Okay, we're getting our award, but it's not here yet.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, the award is coming. The award is coming, but this was the wrong thing. So it's coming later. Okay. Oh good. So I was looking at the photos I just took. I'm gonna go in front of you. So we're gonna put this back for Annette. We want Annette to see that in the front. Because Gloria got it, so we're gonna. Bunny's right there. Bunny was in the front. We're gonna put this here for Annette. She's gonna see us. But Annette's in her room. We want her to come find it. We want Annette to get it. Okay, you want me to go get her? You want me to sit her out here?
I'll go get her.
Okay. I'm gonna go in because
Okay, you go. Annette.
Hi.
Hi, what are you up to?
Or nothing.
How are you? I think there's something at the front door for you.
Oh.
I think there's something at the front door for you.
Oh. Oh. You got it. Oh, perfect. Good. It's here. Oh, good. Yay.
Yeah, it's your award from YouTube.
Oh, good.
Look at that, it came.
What is
It's your
that?
award. It's Annette's award from YouTube.
Aw.
It's your silver plaque.
Oh,
That's
that's
For all of our work. It has your name on it too, Gloria. It's going
And I got a sister here. Here, honey. You could open it with a scissor. Here's a scissor.
Okay, just cut on the side.
Very
Right
good.
there. Right there. Just cut right there.
Be careful.
And then yeah, like that, and then it'll open. And then it should open like this. Oh, here, one more right here. One more right here. Let's give this one more here. Oops. There. Okay, there it is. Good. There.
Oh, wow.
Nice little plaque, huh?
Wow. Good, Rick. Oh, cool. Oh. Wow.
What does it say, Annette?
It says that you did a really good job, and that they're really grateful for your subscribers and things like that.
Oh, okay.
You're doing great.
What is it, disc or is it a book?
It's a award
Oh,
for Richard. Gloria, Richard, Joy. Good.
nice.
That's
Very
so
nice.
cool.
It's for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
That's yours.
Oh, good.
That's to you.
Oh,
It's a present
thank
for
you.
Yeah. Where do you want it? Where do you want to put
I'll
it?
put it in my bedroom.
Yes,
Or you
absolutely.
want to put it up here?
You put it in the office or
Yeah,
here
but- yeah.
or your bedroom,
In
wherever you
your
think.
bedroom is good, yeah.
Why don't you show Gloria?
Show Gloria.
Oh, let me see. Gloria, Richard, Joy, and Annette. It's not YouTube. And what is this? Gloria, Richard. So it's a book. Oh, it's a plaque.
Are you hanging on the wall?
Oh, Gloria, and then you just press this. Oh, that's cute, like a mirror, Annette.
That's so beautiful, Rick.
It's very sweet.
job.
It's a nice little mirror. Look. Nice, Annette. Here, honey.
Where should I put it?
Look at that.
Hold it up. Hold it up,
Do you want
Annette.
it in your room or in the office?
Yes.
In the office.
Okay. We'll hang it in the office then.
Yeah, you need a little nail, and there's a
Yep.
hole in the back.
Yep, it's very special.
Do you get
What?
one too?
Very few people get that award, Annette. You're very special.
Yeah, it's good.
It's an honor. It's an honor
Good.
that YouTube
Yeah,
is saying
good.
you did such a good job.
Perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, you got that's called the Silver Plaque Award
God.
because you got over 100,000 subscribers.
Oh, that's.
Oh, beautiful. Yay.
You now have almost 200,000.
Oh, perfect. Good.
Your next plaque will be a gold plaque.
Ah.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up in a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations, Annette. We know that you have many stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscribers? Sincerely, Neil Moen, YouTube CEO. He's the CEO of YouTube. He sent this to you. That's a big deal. He is the guy who's in the head honcho at CEO, at YouTube. Look at that. He sent you this letter, Annette, for you because they're so proud of you. It's a big deal. They know you're going to get to 1,000,000. Do you see that? He said he's going to send you another one when you get to 1,000,000.
Oh, Bert.
Yeah, it's going to be gold next time. Yeah. Congratulations. Yeah. Mwah. I love you, baby. All right.
All right. So what you doing?
I'm trying to clean the wall around our new plaque so it looks better. We got our Silver Plaque Award. Probably should take it off while I'm cleaning. But I already got it up there good, so I didn't feel like picking it back off. I'm making sure I don't spill it. See, there it is. Okay, this is our award presented to Gloria, Richard, me, and Annette for passing 100,000 subscribers. It's a Silver Creator Award from YouTube. And we got a letter from the CEO. His name is Neil Moen, or Mohan. Not sure how you spell it. Pronounce it, I should say. Moen? Neil Moen? We feel so honored, so we're trying to clean up our disgusting wall around our plaque.
That's probably the cleanest wall in the house.
Well, actually, Annette's walls are looking pretty good now that we painted hers, but this one will have a wait.